The air in Manchester is dense with speculation and uncertainty. As Erik Ten Hag's tenure at the helm of Manchester United hangs precariously, the international break has done little to dampen the fervor of the rumor mill. The latest whispers from Turkish media outlet A-Spor have introduced a fascinating twist. Vincenzo Montella, the current head coach of Turkey's national team, is allegedly one of the leading candidates to replace Ten Hag. Montella, nicknamed Aeroplanino during his playing days, has an impressive managerial resume, with stints at Roma, Sampdoria, and Fiorentina. His most recent achievement is steering the Turkish national team to an impressive charge in the UEFA Euro 2024, adding further credibility to his candidacy. A-Spor claims that senior figures at Manchester United have already met with Montella, fueling speculation that a managerial change is imminent. Montella's record speaks for itself, guiding Turkey to 9 victories in 17 matches, including a memorable clash against Austria in the round of 16. His time at Fiorentina also remains particularly noteworthy, having been the first Serie A manager to coach a young Mohamed Salah. The chemistry between Montella and Salah was electric, with the Egyptian forward netting 9 goals and providing 4 assists in just half a season under Montella's guidance. But what does this mean for Erik Ten Hag? The Dutch manager has had a turbulent season, yet he survived a tense visit from Manchester United co-owners Jim Ratcliffe and Joel Glazer. Ratcliffe's recent acquisition of a significant stake in the club has only added to the scrutiny. It's a complicated narrative. Ferguson, United's most successful manager, will step down from his ambassadorial role, a role that brought him millions annually. This seismic shift leaves Ten Hag's fate even more in the spotlight. Fans and former players alike are polarized. United legend Erik Cantona's recent social media posts decrying the lack of respect at the club only add fuel to the fire. The air of uncertainty is almost palpable as players return from the international break. Ten Hag focuses on securing a much-needed win against Brentford, hoping to halt United's slide down the Premier League table. Meanwhile, Thomas Tuchel and Mauricio Pochettino, 2 top-tier managers previously linked to United, are no longer in the running, having taken on roles with the England and United States national teams, respectively. Across the city, Manchester City faces its own set of challenges. Pep Guardiola's future remains a subject of intense debate. With his contract expiring soon and his close friend, Siki Begiristain, set to leave, City may soon find themselves embarking on their own search for a new manager. Especially amidst an ongoing investigation into alleged financial breaches which could lead to severe penalties. Back at Old Trafford, the silence from the board is deafening. The monthly board meeting, reportedly set to determine Ten Hag's future, came and went with no official statement. Inside sources indicated that discussions were extensive, but the outcome remains a closely guarded secret. This leaves fans and pundits in a state of limbo, with the next match against Brentford possibly holding the key to Ten Hag's fate. The narrative is far from over. Montella's potential appointment could mark the beginning of a new chapter for Manchester United. His tactical acumen and ability to galvanize a team might be the catalyst the club needs to reclaim its former glory. Yet for now, it is a waiting game. Will the shadow of the Aeroplanino soon cast over Old Trafford? Or will Ten Hag weather the storm and steer United back to calmer waters? As the international break concludes and the domestic season resumes, all eyes will be on Old Trafford, where the next scene in this unfolding drama is set to play out.